Hey! What's up? Improvement Warrior, Jason Yun, back in the kitchen again. We are making a keto birthday cake for my wife. And so this is a keto, the ultimate paleo and keto chocolate cake.
Daddy!
So we're going to adjust some ingredients. Yes?
I want to help you make the cake.
Okay. We're going to adjust some ingredients to Yunify it, Improvement Warriorify it. Spencer's going to be helping out with the cake. You will need a cake pan, so square, circle, whatever you want to make it. 8 inches. We are doubling all the ingredients. You're not up. We're doubling all the ingredients because we're going to do a double layer cake. If you want a triple layer cake, add a third. If you want just a single layer, half these ingredients. Okay? So, you ready?
Yeah.
Okay. So, you will need your flours. So, you're going to need, these are your flours. You'll need 1 cup almond flour. You will need 2 tablespoons coconut flour. Coconut flour is in there. You will need flax seed flour. You're going to need 6 tablespoons. Okay?
That's a lot.
It's not a lot. 6 tablespoons of that, and you possibly need it later because we don't have another ingredient. You're going to need baking powder, aluminum free, so we like Bob's. 1 teaspoon of that. You'll need a 1/4 teaspoon of xantham gum. That is the thing we do not have, but you can use 2 extra teaspoons of the flax. Okay? Then what do you need? What do we need? Cocoa powder. Yes. Cocoa powder. You'll need a 1/3 cup. Okay? 1/3 cup. We're going to combine the 1/3 cup with chocolate mint grass-fed meal replacement shake. Yes. And you will need 2 eggs. Okay? Room temperature eggs. They cannot be just right out of the refrigerator. You will need psyllium husk. Actually, psyllium husk can replace the xantham gum. So you can either use extra flaxseed, or you can use psyllium husk to replace the xantham gum. You will need grass-fed butter, 1/4 cup, or you can do 4 tablespoons of coconut oil. We will also need coconut cream.
What's coconut cream?
So 1 tablespoon coconut cream.
I like the coconut cream.
Okay, or you could just use heavy cream.
Mommy, I like...
And you will need Lakanto, sweetener, erythritol, monk fruit, Lakanto, salt, pink Himalayan salt, 1/2 cup of Lakanto, 1/2 cup of Lakanto, and that is all the ingredients that you are going to need for the cake part. And then the frosting part, we will make a separate stuff. No, it's not bye-bye. So we're going to show you that we get to work on the first step, and we will show that to you coming up. First step, in your pan, you're going to grease it. We've got 1 tablespoon olive oil, and then you're going to paint all around, or you can just move it around. Yes, go ahead and paint. Make sure you get all the corners and everything. Get the sides corners so the cake doesn't stick to the sides. She's doing that. We're going to add a little bit of the cocoa powder and a little bit of the chocolate mint in there. So she's painting the chocolate mint and the cocoa powder around. So the step after that, you're going to combine all the flours. So we got the almond flour, the coconut flour, the flax seed, the baking powder, and the psyllium husk. And just mix it real quick. And that's it. Set that aside, and then we'll get to the next step. Alright, so second step, set up a double burner. And then I forgot we're doubling everything, so the first ingredients I gave you. So you'll need 4 ounces or half a cup of butter, 2 tablespoons of the coconut cream, 2 tablespoons of the coconut cream. We did 1/3 of the cocoa powder and 1/3 of the chocolate mint, 1 cup, 1/3 cup. Right. So a lot of the stuff I had forgot to double, so I forgot we're going to need 2 8-inch pans. And did the same thing for this one, except I didn't paint it, I just moved everything around. Once you got everything cooked up, so we did have to have a little break, feeding break, so it got a little hard. I'm going to have to soften it up just a little bit. And then what you're going to do with this is you're going to add your sweetener, so the Lakanto, and then 1 egg at a time. And then make sure before adding the next egg, everything is mixed and coagulated together. So there's our chocolate. We're going to mix it in with the flour now. And so there we go. That's what it looks like. And we're going to divide this, try to divide it as evenly as possible into the 2 pans. Both cakes are done. It is on you.
Turn it around though.
No. Both cakes are done. You want to lick?
No. I want to turn it around.
It's the best part. Done. Okay. They go in the oven 15 to 19 minutes.
Yeah. Well, I'm moving closer.
15 to 19 minutes at 352 degrees. So oven should have been preheated.
Well,
Or
Daddy,
preheated for a while.
move to Daddy. We'll move to the next round. Well, we're getting them cooked.
Then we'll show you the next step with the frosting. Alright, for the icing. Okay, what you're gonna need, half room temperature, half a stick Kerrygold butter into your mixer, or hand mixer. You'll need 3 tablespoons of the coconut cream or heavy cream. You'll need another 1/3 cup of the cocoa powder. Then 1/3 cup of the chocolate mint. So if you don't have the chocolate mint, use 2/3 cup of the cocoa powder. And then you'll start mixing that, and then we'll mix the sugar, or the Lakanto in. You'll need another cup of Lakanto, and also pink Himalayan. Move. Okay, so there it is. Now we wait, okay, and then you gotta let the cake part cool, so at least a half an hour. You can do it overnight and whenever you want to do it, and then we'll show you the next step once we get that. Okay. It is the next day, and the cakes have been cooling, so we got one here. Other one is already out. icing we had to put in the oven to thaw a little bit. So it got a little hard. And basically what we're going to do, we're going to ice this one up, put this one on top, or put the second one on top, and then ice that. And then we'll show you how it turns out, and then give it a taste test. What are you doing, Spencer?
Thank you.
It's time for the taste test. Spencer, what do you think?
Good.
Good? How good?
Really good.
This is the best cake Daddy's made. Yeah. Mrs. Yun?
That's good.
It's very good. So I give it a 9.4. That's it for the double-decker ultimate keto chocolate mint cake. Let me know how you liked it. And don't forget to check out the links down below to help you grow stronger and all that stuff. So keto challenge is down there, cleanse challenge, and eventually we'll have some other challenges. And don't forget, eat according to your circadian biology. We are not following that tonight, unfortunately, but it's a celebration night. So I'll check you later. Questions, comments below. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll be back soon with the macros here. Otherwise, stay strong, stay positive, be the improvement warrior. Hey, what's up, improvement warrior? Jason Yun, back with you again. Outside, eating the cake, okay, with coconut cream. Coconut cream makes it a 9.6, so it is awesome. But I've got the macros here. All right, we put 9 servings in as the total. Each serving has 405 calories, 11.6 grams of carbs, and 8.6 grams of fiber. So it's got 3 net carbs. Fat is 36.7 grams. Protein is 11.7 grams. Saturated fat 17.3 grams. Poly unsaturated 0.5. Mono 1.2. I think that's off though. But cholesterol 142.2. Sodium 280.9. And what else is in here? Calcium 20.9. Iron 25.8. Potassium 75 milligrams. Vitamin A 60.3. Alright, so that is it. Excellent meal. So I'm having this is my breakfast. Ice cream, keto ice cream, and keto cake, keto ice cream. Excellent stuff. So check out the links below, grow stronger, and I will see you next time. Have a great day. Stay strong, stay positive, be the improvement warrior.